Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Siri and Search for the Safari app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, then in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, tap on Siri and Search. Then at the top here, you can choose Learn from this app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Now say here, allow Siri to learn from how you use Safari to make suggestions across apps. So if you don't want Siri to learn about this app, you can switch it off. Another things that you can do is turn off Show app in search. If you do not want Safari to be found in the search result, you can switch it off. As well as show content in search, you can control whether to show the content in search or not. In other options, suggestions, so show in app, show on home screen, suggest app, or suggestions of notifications. So control how you want the Safari app to suggest in Siri and Search. So tap on the toggle button here to turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.